Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0627 refers to a malfunction in the fuel pump control (FPC) system in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This error arises when the fuel pump control module, which is an integral component in managing the fuel pump's operation, detects an abnormal voltage situation. The fuel pump control module receives a duty signal from the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM monitors this signal while the engine is running to ensure that the fuel pump operates correctly. If the voltage remains consistently low for 2 seconds, the PCM identifies this as a malfunction. This triggers the storage of DTC P0627 in the vehicle's memory, potentially indicating issues in the fuel delivery system that may impede engine performance. In conclusion, understanding the intricacies of the fuel pump control system in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017 is critical for effectively addressing DTC P0627. By identifying possible causes, such as relay failures or wiring issues, technicians can implement repairs quickly to restore proper performance. Symptoms associated with this DTC, such as engine stalling and reduced performance, highlight the importance of timely diagnostics and troubleshooting. Additionally, following preventive maintenance protocols can significantly reduce the occurrence of such faults in the future. Ultimately, ensuring the reliability of the fuel system is key to the vehicle's overall functioning and performance. DTC P0627 specifically targets the fuel pump control module, which is crucial for regulating the voltage supplied to the fuel pump based on signals from the PCM. The role of the fuel pump control module is to ensure that the fuel pump receives the appropriate voltage to facilitate fuel delivery to the engine. When the engine runs, the PCM actively monitors the diagnostic signal emitted by the fuel pump control module. Should this voltage drop below an acceptable threshold, it indicates a problem, prompting the PCM to log DTC P0627. The fuel pump control module is generally located near the fuel tank in the Honda Accord, which makes access potentially challenging for troubleshooting purposes. Given this integral role, any faults in the module can directly influence engine performance and fuel efficiency. The causes that could lead to DTC P0627 encompass several key components in the vehicle's fuel management system. First, a failure in the powertrain control module fuel injection, PGM-FI main relay 2, could lead to inadequate voltage being supplied to the fuel pump control module. Additionally, malfunctions in the fuel pump control module itself could prevent the correct operation of the fuel pump. An open fuel pump control diagnostic, FPCD, line can also lead to a loss of voltage signal, compromising the operation of the fuel pump. Lastly, if the power supply line to the fuel pump control module is compromised, this could halt the proper functioning of the fuel pump, thus triggering DTC P0627. Identifying the root cause among these potential issues is essential for effective repair. When DTC P0627 is logged, there are several symptoms that may manifest in the vehicle's operation. One of the primary signs is engine stalling, which occurs when the fuel pump is unable to deliver the necessary fuel to sustain engine operation. This could happen intermittently or persistently, depending on the severity of the malfunction. Drivers may also experience difficulty starting the engine, as inadequate fuel supply may prevent ignition. Additionally, a reduction in engine performance is likely, characterized by sluggish acceleration or a general lack of power. These symptoms can significantly impact daily drivability and must be addressed promptly to restore the vehicle's performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0627 involves checking the vehicle battery voltage. A fully charged battery is essential for the proper operation of electrical components like the fuel pump control module. It is imperative to ensure that all connections related to the battery are secure and free from corrosion, as poor connections can interrupt the electrical flow and lead to malfunctions. Corrosion around battery terminals can inhibit the voltage that the fuel pump control module receives, affecting its output. Visual inspections should involve examining both the positive and negative terminals for signs of wear. Any corrosion should be cleaned, and loose connections should be tightened before proceeding further. In the second troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to the fuel pump control diagnostic FPCD line. Inspecting the FPCD line is crucial as it carries the diagnostic signal from the fuel pump control module. Look for any visible breaks or wear in the wiring, as these could interrupt the signal transmission and trigger the DTC. Additionally, the integrity of the wiring insulation should be checked. Any abrasions or fraying can lead to shorts or electrical noise, affecting performance. A multimeter may also be used to test for continuity and any voltage drop across the line. Ensuring that the FPCD line is intact is pivotal in diagnosing and rectifying the error indicated by DTC P0627. The third step involves examining the fuel pump relay, a critical component that enables the fuel pump to receive power. It's essential to test the operation of the relay, as a failure in this component can prevent the fuel pump from operating correctly. The relay may require activation testing to confirm that it functions as intended. Additionally, checking for any potential shorts in the wiring harness connected to the relay is crucial, as shorts can disrupt the relay's operation and lead to erroneous signals being sent to the PCM. Functional testing with a multimeter should confirm if the relay is receiving the signal properly. A faulty fuel pump relay could indeed be a contributing factor to the DTC being triggered. After completing repairs related to DTC P0627, it is vital to verify the effectiveness of those repairs. The first step in final verification is to clear any stored DTCs from the vehicle's PCM using a scan tool. Once this is done, conducting a test drive of the vehicle is critical to ensure that it performs normally under typical operating conditions. During the test drive, it's advisable to monitor the fuel system's operation to confirm that the fuel pump is delivering the proper pressure and volume required for performance. Any reoccurrence of the DTC or related symptoms would indicate the need for further diagnostics. Successful verification ensures that the corrective actions taken have addressed the root cause of the malfunction effectively. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding issues like DTC P0627 in the future. Regular inspections of the relays within the fuel system should be prioritized to catch any wear or faults before they escalate to larger problems. It's equally important to maintain corrosion-free and clean battery terminals to ensure optimal electrical connection. Monitoring voltage levels across critical components can provide early warnings of potential failures, allowing for troubleshooting before a DTC is triggered. Additionally, ensuring that wiring harnesses are free from wear can prevent shorts and maintain system integrity. Implementing these preventive measures not only enhances the longevity of the fuel system, but also improves overall vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.